We were recently gifted this really portable, small video projector. And I will show you about it because there's a lot of capabilities within this small package. First of all, as far as a package, this is what it comes in, very nicely packed and protected. Obviously, you get the unit. You do get the power cord that comes with it. You do get a user manual and a quick start guide. And you do get a remote, which comes in very handy when you want to do focusing and going through the menus very easily. And as you can see, it has a lot of preset apps within it, which is nice that you can just hit that. And then it also has HDMI cord. Now you see, I did not take that out of the package because I did not have a need for the HDMI cord, because this is if you want to hook it up to your PC or another device that you can stream onto. I used the Wi-Fi screen mirroring on my iPhone. And that's what I liked about it. I was able to use my Wi-Fi, able to use my iPhone, and then it would cast out or screen mirror exactly what I was seeing. And that worked well for me. So I'll show you what that looks like in going through the menu. But overall, I just want to say very easy to set up, and it is very light and portable. And it is something that you can take anywhere, and it does really do an incredibly good job of screen mirroring out what you're watching. Again, you could use the HDMI cord if you wanted. Let me show you real quick what that looks like. And here is what the home page looks like when you project it. It is crisp, and it is very good to see, and you can adjust it easily just from here. There is a spot on here to be able to adjust the focus. And so I'm just hitting it, and you can see I'm just hitting the focus button that you can manually focus it if you'd like to. So that's great, although everything's pretty crisp. Now there's a couple ways to be able to watch content. Is if you do have a Netflix account, YouTube, PrimeVideo, those are all there. All those apps are there. You will have to sign into those, just like you would on your TV. And then you can watch it from there. However, what I'm doing is I am actually casting this from my iPhone. And so to do that, again, very easy. I'm able to go to Projection Assistant. You'll see that app. And if you hit that, this will then say from my iPhone how to do the magic cast. And it just tells you how to do it, how to do the screen mirroring. It's really nice. Definitely check it out.